How to integrate Airtable with Microsoft Office 365. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can integrate Airtable with Microsoft Office 365. So, what's the first step? The first step is to log in into your Airtable account, alright? Once you're logged in, this is how the home page looks like. Now, once you're on this page, you can see your home, you can see start from scratch, quickly upload, you can see templates, etc. Then once you've done this, the next step is to move to your web browser, open a new tab, and then type out the domain name for Sapia, which is www.sapia.com. Once you've done that and it has loaded, you'll be asked to create an account. Ensure you create an account. Once an account has been created, this is how the home page looks like. You'll be brought to this page automatically, alright? Then on this page, next step or the next thing to do is move to the left side of the screen and click on the create button. Once you click on it, in the box displayed, click on SAPs. Alright, ensure you click on SAPs. Once you click on SAPs, you'll be directed to the SAPs editors page. On this page, you have to select a trigger and then an action for you to be able to integrate your your Airtable to your Microsoft Office. So you click on trigger. Once you click on trigger, you wait for it to load. Alright. So let's click on it, and then in the search box, type out Airtable. And then once you type out Airtable, by the right side of the screen, you'll be asked to choose an event. So you can just select an event. And then once you've selected an event, click on continue. Click on continue. Once you've entered in the email, and then here you'll be asked to select a base, that is a base amongst the bases that you have on your Airtable account, as well as a table. Just go ahead, select it. Or you can also decide to include file content, and then once you're done, click on continue. Then once you click on continue, you can decide to text your trigger if you want to, but if not, you can just leave it the way it is. So now that your trigger is set and it's perfect for you, you can now just go ahead and click on action. As you can see, now once you click on the action button in the search bar, type out Microsoft. Alright, and you wait for it to load. So you can now scroll down and select the Microsoft Office 365. Once that is done, you can now select an event, okay? And then amongst this event, you can decide to choose create contact, create email draft, send email, update contact, etc. For me, I'll just work with create contact. Alright, and then you wait for the page to load. Once it has loaded, click on continue. Then you'll be asked to sign in into your Microsoft Office account. Ensure you sign in. Once you've signed in and your account has been added, your Airtable account and the base you've selected will be connected automatically to your Microsoft Office 365. So this is basically how you can integrate Airtable with Microsoft Office 365. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.